Welcome everyone to News for the Future. Today, we will understand the strategic positioning of BYD. BYD is a Chinese private enterprise founded in 1995 and headquartered in Shenzhen, Guangdong. It has over 220,000 employees and operates in four major industries: automobiles, rail transit, new energy, and electronics. BYD is one of the largest new energy vehicle manufacturers and mobile phone manufacturers in China. In 2015, it won the United Nations Special Energy Award, and in 2016, it won the Zayed Future Energy Award Large Enterprise Award. BYD's brand mission is using technological innovation to satisfy people's yearning for a better life, and its development concept is technology is king, innovation is the foundation. BYD has consistently seen strong sales growth, particularly in its new energy vehicle market. In December 2021, BYD's new energy passenger vehicles sold 93,338 units, with a year-on-year increase of 236.4%. In the same month, BYD's passenger car sales totaled 97,990 units, with a year-on-year increase of 77.9%. BYD's success in the market is largely due to its strong focus on research and development. The company has established 11 research institutes with over 35,000 technicians and has applied for around 32,000 patents globally, with around 21,000 authorized. Its Patent Innovation Index, quantity, and intensity rank first in China's new energy vehicle patents. BYD is a company that specializes in the development and production of new energy vehicles, including both passenger cars and commercial vehicles. It has a strong track record in the industry and has won the annual sales champion of new energy passenger vehicles globally for 3 years. The company's electric buses, trucks, and forklifts have also been well received by customers around the world. In addition to its work in the automotive industry, BYD is also a supplier of batteries, solar energy, and energy storage solutions. Its products are used in various applications, such as rail transit, solar power plants, and energy storage power plants, and are exported to countries including the United States, Germany, and Australia. In the field of electronics, BYD is a provider of design and manufacturing services, particularly in the production of mobile terminal structural parts. Let's execute a SWOT analysis. BYD strengths are: BYD has several market advantages that have contributed to its success. First, the company has always prioritized independent research and development and innovation, particularly in the production of lithium batteries. This has helped BYD reduce production costs, especially due to the relatively low cost of labor in China. The company has also benefited from the large market potential in China, where car ownership is increasing along with per capita income and consumption levels. BYD's pricing and positioning make its products more accessible to many consumers. Additionally, the Chinese government has been supportive of BYD and the new energy vehicle industry, providing significant subsidies to the company. Local governments have also encouraged the production and marketing of new energy vehicles, including through subsidies for consumers who purchase BYD products. Weaknesses. BYD has some weaknesses that it needs to address in order to continue to succeed in the market. One of these is production technology. While the company's production technology and innovation capabilities are among the top in China, they are still relatively behind those of more mature auto industries in developed countries. BYD has not effectively absorbed cutting-edge technologies from around the world, unlike companies like Tesla, which partners with other top manufacturers to excel in vehicle quality. Another weakness is BYD's limited presence in the global market. While the company has strong dominance in the Chinese market, its sales in the global market are much lower compared to those of Tesla. In 2021, BYD's commercial vehicle sales were 10,000 units, with a year-on-year decrease of 5.6%. In contrast, Tesla's sales were the highest in the world, far surpassing BYD. Lastly, China's domestic supporting facilities for new energy vehicles are not as comprehensive as those in other countries, with a gap in charging piles, maintenance, and other areas. The new energy industry is an emerging one, and the gap in development between different countries is not as significant as in traditional industries. China's new energy leader, BYD, still has some gap with the top of the world, but there are many opportunities and great potential for the company due to favorable national policies and market prospects. The Chinese government has provided significant subsidies to support the development of new energy vehicles, making it a national development strategy. The market for new energy vehicles is expected to have strong industry prospects and momentum in the future. BYD threats are: BYD faces significant competition in the Chinese market from domestic companies like Beijing Automotive Group and Geely, as well as from foreign brands like Tesla, BMW, and Volkswagen. In order to remain successful, BYD must continually innovate and improve its products, as well as its after-sales and marketing strategies. If the company does not keep up with its competitors in these areas, it could be replaced by other brands. It is also worth noting that some foreign brands, such as Tesla, have received substantial government subsidies, which can reduce the advantage that BYD has gained through its own subsidies. Let's focus now on the risk analysis. BYD's new energy passenger vehicle sales have experienced 3 stages of development since 2016, including rapid growth, a period of adjustment, and strong sales of new products. However, BYD faces challenges in the electric vehicle industry, including the risk of being left behind by other brands if it does not keep up with technological advancements and the high research and development expenses which have led to declining profit margins in the still developing electric vehicle industry. COVID-19 has also had a negative impact on BYD's development, leading to lower demand and increased costs, causing the company to experience a period of slower growth. In the Chinese market, there has been a preference for SUVs and mid to high-end vehicles, and increased recognition of new energy vehicles with intelligence plus network connection, giving Chinese manufacturers an advantage in these areas. The demand for trucks has been stable due to China's active fiscal policy and large infrastructure investment, but the passenger car market is facing pressure from the expansion of the rail transit network and is currently saturated. The future demand for vehicles in the market will depend on policies promoting their electrification in public areas and public transportation in 3rd and 4th tier cities, and the market outlook is uncertain. The automobile manufacturing industry is dominated by leading companies with strong financial performance and high credit ratings, but increased competition due to decreasing demand growth may lead to a deteriorating operating environment for disadvantaged companies in the medium to long term. The chip shortage has had a major impact on the automobile industry, leading to reduced production and a decline in overall automobile production in the country from April to August 2021. Despite a slight improvement in chip supply in September 2021, production levels are still unable to meet market demand and have caused an increase in chip prices and delivery times. Automobile production in the second half of 2021 was 13.513 million vehicles, a year-on-year decrease of 10.59%. The inventory of vehicles at the end of the year also decreased from 1.019 million to 845,000. Conclusion: BYD is a strong new energy vehicle brand in China with good independent innovation and production capabilities, and a lower investment risk due to its product positioning in the mid to low market and concentrated distribution in China. However, this also means that its earnings will be lower and it faces threats from other brands and the impact of lower demand due to the COVID-19 outbreak, as well as a high dependence on foreign automotive chips. The suggestion for BYD is to strengthen cooperation with other brands while maintaining independent research and development, reduce manufacturing costs, expand global sales and consumer groups to increase market competitiveness. Thank you for the attention and see you at the next video.